Hey everyone, Guru here from Good Design Lab. Look at this interesting 3D model on your screen. It looks complex with those curved slots and angle bases. But don't worry, I will show you the fastest way to build this in SolidWorks today. Hit subscribe button and let's jump right into it. So first we need to close this exercise and then we will start from a sketch. You can close here and select a new part and then okay. Take any plane like top plane, front plane, right plane if your choice. Like take a top plane and then a sketch. Go to a sketch tab and select center rectangle and create this from origin and make it 50 by 100. And then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it up to 10 mm. You can see here, and the direction is aligned. And then okay. And select this corner or it go to fillet tab and sorry select chamfer and select these corners, and the parameters of this chamfer is 10 mm, and then select OK. Select this region and then sketch. So first we need to take some reference line to go to center line and then take a center line. Select this line and make it for construction and then go to smart dimension and make this dimension of 50 mm. And then okay, move this line up and select this midpoint and this line, make it coincident, and then okay. Go to a sketch tab and select a circle and create a circle at this point and go to dimension and make it 40 mm dia, and then take a line and create a line and create it like this. And after that, then go to sketch tab and select this state slot and create a slot from this point, and then go to smart dimension and the distance between these 2 points is 30 mm, and this radius is 10 mm. And then go to trim entities and select trim to collages and trim this all extra part, and then go to features tab and select extrude boss base and extrude it opposite side and extrude, sorry, go to select this boss extrude and go to edit feature, and this dimension is 15 mm. First we need to merge this feature, after that we can mirror it. Then go to mirror tab and select face and place, then go to front plane and select OK. You can see here this profile is ready now. If you want to add some appearance, then select any face and then go to appearance tab and select any color you want to apply on it and select faces. And then OK. If you want to apply a single color on whole model, then go to appearance tab directly and select any color and then click OK. And that's how your model is exercise 42 in SolidWorks. If this video helped you, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe Good Design Lab. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I am Guru and I will see you in the next exercise. Thank you guys.